Have you ever wondered why men and women react differently to stress and anxiety? A captivating question, isn't it? Let's delve into it. Picture this. John and Jane, both faced with a high-pressure work deadline. John's response? He becomes focused, competitive. Jane, on the other hand, feels overwhelmed, seeking comfort in conversation with a coworker. Same situation, different reactions, but why? Well, it all boils down to our psychological and biological makeup. You see, when faced with stress, our bodies release the hormone cortisol. However, the hormone oxytocin, often released in women, counteracts cortisol, promoting nurturing and social behaviors. On the flip side, men tend to have lower oxytocin levels, leading to more fight-or-flight responses. This isn't a one-size-fits-all explanation, but it provides a fascinating insight into why our reactions can vary so much. As we've seen, the same situation can trigger distinct reactions in men and women due to a complex interplay of psychological and biological factors. But it's not just biology that drives these differences. Social and cultural factors also play a significant role. Imagine a young man, let's call him John, who grows up in a society where men are expected to be stoic, to suppress their emotions, to man up. John learns to internalize his stress, to deal with it on his own because that's what he's been taught to do. Now picture a young woman, Sarah, who lives in the same society. She's encouraged to express her feelings, to seek support when she's under pressure. Unlike John, Sarah learns to externalize her stress. She talks about it, she seeks advice and consolation. John and Sarah's experiences aren't unique. They're shaped by societal expectations and cultural norms that dictate how men and women should behave, how they should handle stress and anxiety. It's clear that societal and cultural norms can significantly influence how we respond to and manage stress. Given these differences, it's no surprise that men and women often employ different strategies to cope with stress. Typically, men are more likely to engage in physical activities as a stress reliever. Consider John, a corporate executive, who after a grueling day of meetings, unwinds by playing a vigorous game of squash. This physical exertion serves as a release, allowing him to channel his stress in a productive way. On the other hand, women like Jane, a school teacher, often seek emotional support from their social network when dealing with stress. After a challenging day at school, Jane finds solace in sharing her experiences and feelings with her close friends over a cup of tea. This emotional expression acts as a cathartic release, helping her navigate stress. These gender-specific coping strategies, though diverse, highlight the need for understanding individual approaches to stress management. Understanding these gender-specific coping mechanisms can pave the way for more effective, personalized stress management strategies. So, what have we learned today? We've traversed through the intricate landscape of gender-specific stress and anxiety experiences, shedding light on the psychological and biological variances. We've examined the societal and cultural influences and their impact, and unraveled the unique coping strategies employed by men and women. Each thread we've pulled adds to the rich tapestry of our understanding. By acknowledging these differences, we can foster a deeper understanding of stress and anxiety, ultimately paving the way for more effective, personalized coping strategies.